was because of the video, the audio that was put online by one of the colleagues. This is what, when the security guys saw, somebody must have seen and shared with them, and this brought a lot of issues.
Welcome to Jimosi podcast. The media coverage for Dr. Riek Machar trial has been restored, and all the independent media personnel have been officially allowed to start accessing the courtroom, which is Freedom Hall, starting tomorrow.
Yay!
And this one was confirmed by Patrick Oyet, the chairman of the Journalists Whatever Association of South Sudan.
Yeah, I think it's called Union of Journalists.
Yes. And
Okay.
he actually mentioned the reason why journalists were stopped from entering
Okay, I wanted to know that.
after some time.
Okay.
And you remember we tried to do our guesses last time, right?
Yeah.
Are you able to guess this time, or you don't want to keep guessing?
Yeah, so last time I think we mentioned that because people were
Making
memes out of the judges, how other people were talking and all that, or misusing the information recorded from the court session. And I think we also talked of that the government probably just wanted us to see like the onset of the case, and then they do everything now in the background. Yeah, of which a lot of people were against. So I don't think I can make any other guess that could be different from what we said last time. But then my guess for allowing the resumption of recordings and journalists being present at the Freedom Hall is probably because of all the criticism that has come out. Because people want to know. There's no way you'll start showing people something and then stop doing that in the middle of the process.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So here's the reason why it was stopped.
It was because of the video, the audio that was put online by one of the colleagues. This is what, when the security guys saw, somebody must have seen and shared with them, and this brought a lot of issues.
All right. So you remember on 29, this is when they say no more live coverage.
Yeah.
And then we all went in dark. And then on October 3rd, somebody leaked a video. We even got it from Radio Tamazush of Riek Machar talking.
Oh, an audio.
Yes, an audio of him talking about his immunity, that it was not actually investigated. What he gave was a statement of something like that. So that leaking was the one that led to the whole thing being stopped.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So that's what happened.
So are they going to stream it live, or they'll just allow the journalists to? Come on. I should hold my horses.
Yes. So they are being allowed to come in.
Yeah.
They're not going to record anything. And they can listen, take notes, and they are going to write stories based on what they have heard.
That's hard work.
A lot of hard work.
Yeah.
Yes. So that's exactly that. No recording. You just go listen, take notes, and then come paraphrase whatever that you heard in court. So they don't want people coming out with the exact words of what was said in court.
Okay.
So you can come paraphrase your own way. Yeah, so that's it. So yeah, at least I'm happy this week will go in again, but whatever the information that they're going to come out with is not that important as of now, because I don't see any difference of them with the audience that are attending.
Yeah.
If they can only listen, take notes, and go rewrite whatever that they want to write. But at least they are medias, so at least they will have stories to run.
Yeah.
These are the audience that attend. They're not medias, so they just listen and go stay at home with the information, right? So
yeah, it's not like they're really interested in that. They just want to attend a court session and that's it. But I don't think most of the audience that are going to attend the court hearing really have a specific purpose as to why they're going there. Yeah, But the only people who I feel and felt should have been allowed are these journalists from the word go. They should not have been stopped from taking the coverage and stuff. Like either audio or just taking notes, because that's their line of duty. Yeah. And it's important for them and their careers, so that they also keep the entire public on the know, especially for those of us who are not on the ground, or for those who are not within Juba, to get hearsays of what was said, what's happening, and all that, and how the case is progressing.
Yes. All right, so here is another audio of him speaking. Let's listen to Patrick Oyet.
The only thing is that the discretion powers of the court have to be respected. If the court says don't record, we should not record. If the court says today is open, you can film, you can record, we record. We have to respect that. That even when we sit there and maybe we record for purposes, because there are people who still record even when they are told not to record. But we know that the court has its own camera also. The court has its own camera that is being used to record for purposes of keeping their record. So that is a separate thing. People should not say, hey, what about that camera which is recording as we are being blocked? No, there is a camera specifically for the court. So if the court says we should not record, we should not record. You can listen, you can write your story, you can write based on what you have heard, but don't record. So that is the powers of the court. We have nothing to do with it. And that is the only guideline, that we respect what the court says.
All right, so yeah, if the court say, listen, you don't have to start questioning other cameras that you see around. What's the use? You guys are doing, how do we call it? So dueling. Corruption.
It's corruption.
Yeah, you guys are doing some corruption here. Why are you allowing that camera to do it? Yeah, it's for the court.
No, but you also, the thing is with us South Sudanese, sometimes we want to be all uniform. People want to be allowed to do everything, all of them, including people who are not going, people who are just going to post what they record on their Facebook. And for what purposes? They will not even write like a good caption to say, okay, this is what was happening and this is ABCD. Or write something that would explain the current situation of the court case. Yeah, they just want to have a video to share. Like to brag that you went to court today, or without specific purpose. But then if you look at some of those cameras, let's say like SSBC, that's a government state-owned broadcasting corporation. And then if you look at that one, the one that Patrick is talking of, that the court is taking recordings.
Yeah, for their own archives.
Those are two different functions compared to what these other people would want to use them for, right? Yeah. So in this case, they are for documentation purposes. But in your case, like, why would you want to record? So if you have been told, yes, you can go, take notes, go with your pen and paper, then make sure you have very good listening skills.
Yeah.
So that you don't end up misquoting people. And then to take proper notes, you don't have to write everything the person is saying. Just take point form, writing key words. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what has happened. And I'm happy that these medias are being allowed back to get in. And hopefully they will not misbehave as per the court and do the right thing. And so that they can get more stories out here. Because after they were stopped, the information that was coming out from this place was actually very limited. But at least now, high chance we'll get more information and as we go. And then the other thing, now that the court will be resuming tomorrow, the expert from South Africa did not show up on Wednesday. On Monday, I mean.
Yeah.
So they did not testify. So let's hope it will show up tomorrow. Otherwise, we'll just keep waiting. But I think the first thing that they will do tomorrow is to come with the extension of the court mandate.
Yes.
And then from there, people will argue again. And maybe the expert might be expected by Friday or next Monday.
week.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. So that's it for Jimosi podcast. Please consider subscribing, share, like, and leave your comment. See you in the next video.
Subscribe.
Yes.
Let's get to 3,000 subscribers. Also, what are your thoughts regarding the reinstatement of media outlets to take stories, not like record in court process, but to just go there, take notes, and then publish later? Do you think this is a win for the journalist, or it doesn't make any difference as long as there's no live streaming?